Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I got a quick and dirty update. I have injectors. I'm going to put my Snake Eater 1000s. I got a set of Snake Eater 1000s from Brad at Snake Eater Performance, and I got adapters because mine are like the oval EV6 and these are the square Bosch style with the metal retainer clip plug. I'm going to put the 1000s in, and I have the fuel pump set up from LOJ. I still haven't done yet. I just wanted to see how it would work as is. And in the meantime, I kept noticing my clutch pedal was getting lower and stickier and lower. And I'm like, huh, so I've been bleeding the slave, and then it comes back, and then it's crappy, and then it's good, and then it's crappy. And then the other day, I went to take this for a drive, and I couldn't even move it. So I read up that the slaves go bad on these things all the time. So I bought a slave cylinder. I threw out the box already. This guy, NAB, Nabco. Because I read up on parts store ones, and everybody says parts store ones fail in an extremely short amount of time. They're crap. So I bought, instead of like a $25 one, I bought like a $55 one that has a better rating. So we'll see how it does. It's bled. The pedal is high right now. I still have to get the car inspected and get the AC charged. So tomorrow morning, if there is a pedal, if it has a clutch pedal and it works, I'm going to drop it off on my way to work or lunch or whatever at my buddy's shop that's right near my work. Awesomely enough, and he's going to do AC and inspection, and we'll see how the slave holds up. Also, while I was under there bleeding the clutch and waiting for the slave cylinder to come in, I installed one of the newer AEM widebands. So now I got that guy in, so now I don't have to swap anything around. So it'll be nice. The fuel pump, injectors, wideband, hopefully the slave is okay. Hopefully the next time I make a video this thing has air conditioning. That'll be really awesome. And that's where we're at. I'm living that stick shift life, guys. Hashtag stick shift. Not working. So we'll see if the slave does it. If not, I guess I got to do a master. I'm open for suggestions if a lot of you guys have already done this kind of thing. What I'd like to do is maybe if the stock slave and master suck, maybe I'll do an aftermarket one in a stainless line. Nothing is like on top of the header or anything else, so there's no reason for it to be so crappy, but I read that they're just not that great and they have sticky pedal and stuff like that. So yeah, the other day my garage door opener died. I had to replace my garage door opener. All the plastic gears exploded in it. And I pushed the car out, and I had to like stuff it in first gear while I was starting it and ride it in on the starter. I'm sure you guys, some of you have had to do crazy shit like that. So that's where I'm at. We're at a little bit of a lull. I'm going to wire the nitrous kit back in also. The lines and everything are there. I just got to hook up the computer and everything else. And also I'm thinking about, I have no intake piping, so I have to make intake piping or I have to buy a plate. So let me know what you guys think. Like, I might just make a little aluminum leg that holds the nozzle, but I kind of don't want to do that. I kind of just want to put a plate on it. I really like plate kits. So we'll see how that pans out. Either way, she's going to get sauced. Once the injector's in, we're going to make full power on the E85 tune-up and beat the crap out of it. Hopefully the clutch keeps working, and we will press on. But there's your weekend update.